We make it easy to...
Alright, we are on air right now, interrupting our regular programming here, and this is for a quick update on the weather across Connecticut, the blizzard Calvin impacting Connecticut. So we're gonna bring this to you right now on WYCT news. So we're gonna bring this here. Up here. Okay, great. Cool. So now we have our live radar here, and as you can see, okay, now we're lowering that down. But as you can see, we just got a newly issued mesoscale discussion, and this is talking about how there's a long duration of moderate to heavy snowfall that will impact basically New York City and then all the way through New England. So we're expecting this all the way through into Monday morning. So they're saying 1 to 2 inches per hour snow in the snowfall rate will be that will be likely particularly after midnight Eastern Standard Time. So I'm going to read the discussion here. So it's saying recent regional radar imagery from the northern mid-Atlantic, southern New England shows a band of moderate to heavy snow moving slowly northward into Long Island. Already recent surface observations reported 1 inch in the last hour at islip of LaGuardia and JFK. This band should continue to impact parts of the southern New England this evening. The high snowfall rates will at least initially remain near the coast, with time the 994 MV low analyzed off the mid-Atlantic coast will deepen, particularly after 11 p.m. Midnight Eastern Standard Time. This will eventually promote eventually where was I at? Eventually promote a broader zone of stronger eccentropic ascent that will promote more widespread moderate to heavy rain, heavy snow, I should say, farther north. Surface winds will also services will also concurrently increase with the deepening of the low. Blizzard conditions will be possible late this evening into Monday morning. So I think that's all there is. That's currently what it's saying there. There's a blizzard warning expiring tomorrow. Basically a lot of blizzard warnings, basically the entire state with blizzard warnings, coastal flood advisories for the coasts of Connecticut, and coastal flood warnings for the coast. We've got special weather statements there, and we're going to read off of that. So it's saying bands of moderate to heavy snow will move across the area through 8 p.m. Snowfall rates will increase to 1/2 to an inch per hour in the heaviest snow, and conditions will deteriorate this evening. The travel is now recommended as roads will become snow-covered and hazardous. And yeah, so that's currently what they're saying. 10-day forecast is showing Sunday through Monday. This is the winter storm. That's the timing for there. As you can see, it's going all the way through 11 p.m. Monday. It's going through midnight, and then all the way through 6 p.m. Yeah, so windy weather radar. We're gonna reload this page here. This is gonna show the future radar. So this entire thing is covering the entire state. Entire snowstorm is covering the entire state. So it's showing well, I need to play with forecast here. So it's showing this here, and then it quickly goes covering the entire state all the way from till 8:29 there, and continuing there. Sorry about that. And yeah, so now we will show our what was it, the our iCams, and we're gonna show Mystic and then New London. So first we're gonna show you this here. So this is our live WYCT, well, not official, but EarthCam live, and this is showing snow is coming down, and yeah, so as you can see, not a lot of people are on the roads, but stores looks like they're open, but and some are closed. But tomorrow, I think basically all in most places are closed currently. So yeah, that's currently the very latest on that. We're gonna show you the New London Harbor Cam here. Once this will, okay. Oh, sorry about that. What just happened? Whoa. Okay. There's our New London Harbor Cam. So currently we're seeing this here. So uh currently visibility is really low, and there is snow coming down there too. And yeah, so that's currently the very latest, and well, further updates as warranted. In the meantime, we'll send you back to regularly scheduled programming.
Of protein. And right now, when you buy